Hey everybody, it's Raven from Sherry's Bag of Holding. Happy Thanksgiving, coming up very soon. But Sherry is inside resting because we just got the new 2024 RAV4 Hybrid XLE. So it's hybrid, it's electric and gas. But most importantly for Miss Sherry, it's got extra legroom, an extra high adjustable seat. She can get in and out of it very easily. Plenty of room for her wheelchair over here in the messy trunk because I haven't cleaned it. And she wanted me to say that Jeff over at Gettle Toyota of Lakewood Ranch was very, very courteous. Our second time dealing with him. And he's a very awesome dude. So here's Miss Sherry resting.
Hi.
And everybody have a wonderful evening.